In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the seamless interface in Artistly AI to improve your creativity and workflow. First, log into Artistly AI and explore the main dashboard. The platform is designed with a clean and user-friendly interface, making it easy to access tools for image generation, editing, and creative projects all in one place. Next, start by entering a creative prompt into the text box. For example, create a futuristic cyberpunk city with neon lights and cinematic atmosphere. The seamless interface allows you to quickly move between prompts, styles, and editing tools without confusion. After that, use the built-in style presets and customization settings to experiment with different artistic looks. You can adjust colors, lighting, image quality, and composition while instantly previewing your ideas. One of the best features is how smoothly you can switch between generating images and refining them. This helps speed up your creative process and keeps your workflow organized. You can also save your favorite creations, revisit previous projects, and continue improving your artwork anytime directly from the dashboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.